Solving linear equations. We are first starting if x plus 3 is equal to -2. How to solve for x in x plus 3 is equal to -2. So let's discuss that. We have x plus 3 is equal to -2. So we are looking for a number x. We are looking for a number called x, such that when you add 3, you get -2. What is that number? Okay, so what we need to know, our final answer have to be like x is equal to, reading from left to right, or x is equal to, reading from right to left. Bear in mind, you can read from any direction in mathematics. Okay, so we want x is equal to a number. That number must be, when you add 3, you get -2. So what we need to do is to what you call cancel out a plus 3. To cancel out a plus 3, we have to subtract 3. Okay, so I repeat, to cancel out a plus 3, we have to subtract 3. Now, if you subtract 3 on the left, you have to subtract 3 on the right, because the rule is that whatever you do on the left, you have to repeat it on the right. Whatever you do on the right, you also have to repeat it on the left for the balance to maintain. So I repeat, we're going to subtract 3 to cancel out 3. But because we subtract 3 on the left, we have to subtract 3 on the right. As you can see, 3 subtract 3 is 0. And -2 subtract 3 is -5. So the answer is x is equal to -5. That is the solution. So if you want to prove your answer, proof that x is equal to -5. The proof is not mandatory, but you can just practice it. It's good practice. To prove that x is equal to -5, we're going to substitute -5 into the original equation. So wherever we see x, we're going to put -5, because we said x is equal to -5, and we're going to see if we get -2 for our answer. -5 plus 3 is equal to -2. So therefore, x is equal to -5. All right, bear in mind the proof is not mandatory. Yeah? Okay. So that's what you do for a question like this. To cancel out, you do the opposite of the sign. If it's a plus, you subtract. If it's a subtract, you plus. Okay. And what you do on the left, you do on the right. What you do on one side, you must repeat it on the other side. And you always do the opposite to cancel out. And then you can prove your answer to verify.